So I wanted to make a short video about this Whirlpool fridge that we just picked up off of Facebook. The fridge was actually turned in or warrantied out because there were a number of different issues. I'm going to explain what those issues are and how we fixed them. The first issue that we came across was that this display was not working on the Deli meat drawer. And the other thing, there was no light on in this fridge. The light didn't come on, and the ice maker wasn't working in the bottom fridge. Obviously, you can see that's resolved now. This issue with this door, the way this is fixed, there's a wiring harness that comes through here, and one of the cables was broken in that wiring harness. And it's not difficult at all to fix. There was nothing wrong with this display itself. I don't know if I can pull out this drawer very easily on my own. Let me see here. Looks like I can. So that drawer just lifts out, and here is the cable that was broken. This was the one that was broken. There's usually a sheathing on this. You can just cut it off, and this was completely separated. You'll notice too, there's moisture that gets in here. You want to make sure you keep that moisture cleaned out. It's from the condenser in the back. But basically, over time, the movement of that cord causes those cables to break loose. It's pretty easy to get to it. You can take this connector off here. These drawers, or this whole face, comes off just by lifting these little tabs right here, pushing them forward. This drawer comes off, and it's pretty easy to get in there and access it. Cut it loose. You just pop this off right here, and you can examine that whole cable. But if this display isn't working, that's what's wrong. A lot of repairmen don't know that, and they go about replacing all kinds of things. In this case, they actually warrantied the fridge out because they couldn't figure out what the issue is, but it was something really simple. That drawer just drops back in. Another issue, that light wasn't on down below, and that actually caused these upper lights to all be dim in the fridge. There's a bunch of lights here. These lights are really easy. They just pop out. There's a little connector behind them. You disconnect it, put the new light in, pop it back up in. I guess our kitty wants to be in the video here. And once you replace this one down here, it will make all these go on bright again because they're all in the same circuit. As far as this bottom ice maker, I'm not sure what caused it to go bad, but it was the motor in it that was bad. You can remove, to get to it, you can remove this door here. This is the easiest way to do it. There's two screws. There's one right here and one right over there. You pop these screws, or just loosen them a little bit, and this door lifts completely off. And that gives you more space. This, you need to remove these little tabs on each side. And once you remove these tabs, this whole door will come out, and that allows you to access the ice maker. There's a screw on top, and there's a screw on the bottom of it, and then a few connectors back up there. And once you swap that out, the ice maker works again. I'm not sure if the ice maker went bad because this display was bad or not. I really don't know. But anyhow, everything works in the fridge now, and we don't have any issues. Everything cools and does what it's supposed to. So hope this helps someone out.